today's look at boiled eggs. Now boiled eggs, strangely, I get asked about, do you use cold water, do you use hot water, how do you stop them cracking, how do you do them soft boiled, how do you do them hard boiled? Well, in this video we're going to find out. So let's get on with it. Right, so for this one what we're going to do is use a pan, 2 eggs and cold water. And what we're going to do is fill the pan up with cold water to about halfway and put the gas or the cooker on maximum, and straight away put the eggs in the water. There's a little bit showing just above, just top it up so the eggs are actually covered in water. And the trick is now just let it boil. At this stage we can see that it's just starting to boil, not getting ready to. This is a very slow process, but remembering is that the eggs have just come straight out the fridge, the water's come straight out of the tap, everything's really cold, so what I want to do is bring everything up into a nice warm type environment, get it to room temperature, and at this point we get into the boiling process, which will start the cooking process. So it does take a little bit of time, but it's well worth it in the end. So we will wait. So we're about 10 minutes in now. As you can tell, the water's beginning to boil, so at this point it's time to start the clock. For if we want soft boiled eggs we need to go for about 3 minutes, so start the clock. So we're at the 3-minute mark at thereabouts. So what we're going to do is take out one of the eggs, which should be a soft boiled egg. Use one of these, we'll put it in a bowl over there. Use one of these strainer type things so that you don't get water everywhere. Now the other egg we're going to leave for 2 minutes more, so it's 5 minutes into it, so it's hard boiled. Like the one we've just taken out, a little bit of cold water just to cool it down. Crack it and see what we've got. So I won't worry if it looks a bit too rustic. If you spend a bit more time while you let it cool down a little bit longer, then it'll look nicer. The only thing what we need to do with this, just take the top off, and inside there we end up with the soft boiled egg. If you want it really runny, then let it go for 2 minutes rather than 3, and you barefoot dip your soldiers in and all that sort of thing. And so the one's had about 5 minutes now, so what we're going to do is turn the gas off, take the egg out again, get rid of all the hot water, egg back in the pan, fill it up with cold water. And with this one we're going to leave for about a minute. One thing what it's going to do is actually cool the egg down, prevent it from going dark around the yellow area, so it just comes across as a much nicer egg. So I'll crack it at the end again, start the peel process off. Right, and there we go. Spent a bit more time over that, so as you can tell it's less rustic, much more almost like a perfect egg. The only thing we're going to do now is just chop that up. The only thing what we need to do with this egg now is that we'll have this one sliced. And as you can tell, that is now coming out. Get the last bit done. That comes out looking absolutely wonderful. So there we have it. So 5 minutes hard boiled egg, about 3 minutes for your soft boiled eggs. If you want them really runny, go for about 2 minutes. Right, and that's hard boiled eggs. So once again we'll have a look at the nutritional side of eggs. We used 2 eggs and we boiled them, so that comes to 132 calories, 2.6 saturated fat and 0.3 carbs, which is extremely good for every base. You know, it's very good for weight loss, it's very good for the heart, and it's very good for sugar and diabetes type 2. The only thing what we used was water, and in water we have no calories and we're not actually eating the water, so either way we have no calories, no saturated fat and no carbohydrates. So that gives us a total for the 2 eggs of 132 calories, 2.6 in saturated fat and 0.3 carbohydrates. Now this is a very good way of eating eggs. They're boiled, you can have them with salad, and they're just a wonderful product that is going to fill you up for a long period of time during the day. Once again, looking at nutrition, so the nutrition shown in daily percentage or daily value percentage. So we have vitamin A at 10%, vitamin D at 21%, vitamin B2 at 4%, vitamin B6 at 5%, vitamin B12 at 18%, and all other minerals at 31%, along with the cholesterol reading of 124, which is for 100 grams, which is just shy of 2 eggs. Once again, you won't find many foods with all this type of nutrition in it. We generally look at calories, saturated fat and carbs because vitamins, minerals, fibers, proteins, it's not a great thing to look at. But for eggs, it's an all-rounder, it's a great food source, and this is going to, in effect, be a win-win for you. So going back to our little bit of fun and looking at the leaderboard, so we put boiled eggs in there, and obviously we only use water, it's just a pure egg. That's shot to the beginning of the leaderboard at 132 calories, followed by fried eggs at 180 calories, and scrambled eggs at 237 calories. So the 2 healthier ways up to now of eating your eggs is boil them, failing that fry them, which is always a bit of a shocker, and then scrambled eggs.
If you have enjoyed this video, then please provide your support by liking this video and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook, then please like and share this video with your family and friends. And as always, thank you for viewing.